Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rapunzel from Tangled in Dress Room Press, and how you can also add the pan as the accessory. I'll show you guys the glitch on how to do that later after I finished her outfit. But for the hair, we're going to use this one in this color, C08740. No adjustments. Use this one in that same color in the back toggle with no flowers. Position the Y 0, Z.62, and rotate the rotate the X to 0.79. The good thing for this is you don't need VIP, so go to the dressing rooms, go to the world culture area, select this top, color the first one FFA0F1, second one A85A9B, third one I think I did just a plain white. And then for the fourth one, I think I did this gold color. This one, C08740. And then lastly, I just colored it the same as the sleeves here again. For the skirt, I'm going to just use this one in this darker color, 8E4C83 in light silk. Then I think I used this one. I don't remember which one I used. I'll just use this one here. No, wait, this one. DE9C4A. And then for the sleeves, I'm just going to use this one. And sleeves only in that same color as the top. And then I think I did a gold on the sleeves here. C08740. Now for the pan, it only works on free play because the pan's here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this house. You're going to cook the food. Okay, just press E on the interaction and just jump. As you can see, now you are holding the pan. If that doesn't work, I think you need to pose. So press E and then pose, and then you're going to jump, and then you have the pan. But as you can see, I already have the pan, even though I didn't really do a pose. But if that didn't work out for you, just remember to press E, do pose, and then you can just jump. And then if you stop posing, you can you still have the pan, so don't worry. And that is it. That is how you can you can create Rapunzel from Tangled. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!